So I'm going to try out my new Milwaukee M12 by sling saw on this little project. It's not much different than the M18. It's actually about the same weight. The benefit obviously is the quick release. That's the main reason I upgraded. But I wanted to show you, this is the result of my last drywall video. As you can see, we're just waiting the paint, and then I'm going to go ahead and redo the whole ceiling with the knockdown. But I wanted to share with you another issue I found over here. The same issue, not as bad. I'll have to approach it a little different because it's right at the seam, as you can see, the drywall seam in the ceiling there. So my plan is just to cut into the ceiling this time, just enough so I can get some hardwood shims drove underneath the truss, between the truss and the wall, 2x4 wall. It's a little different than a drywall pop. As you can see, I took a utility knife, cut the whole distance. So once I get this repaired, I'll tape the corner and repair it properly. The drywall, a nail pop I do have over here. My plan there is I'll just dig it out, pull the nail, patch it, and there's enough drywall support there to, it's not going to miss just one nail. My experience is it's better to pull the nail than drive it up further in there, because it just seems to work itself back down over the years. So this one, I'm not concerned about the truss. It seems to be okay. This one, the truss is moving enough that I want to go ahead and repair it. So let's see what we can do here real quick and see how big of a gap that is. I'm hoping I can just get that out with a putty knife now. Have to work around that nail. And grab it. Sorry about the camera thing. I'm looking at getting a better camera. All right. This little piece here will probably be enough to at least know what I'm up against. Oh yeah, actually there's a bigger crack up there. Let me turn on my fancy headlight here and see what we got up there. Yeah, pretty good sized gap. I'll, like I say, fill that in, and then that'll stop that truss from coming down. But that's a better attempt at repairing this than going through the ceiling, getting up in the attic and trying to get to it, going through all the insulation. This little drywall repair won't take much at all to get put back and look normal before you know it. So once again, hope this video works, helps you out, and sorry for the heavy breathing, getting a little old. We'll talk to you later.